Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a case law of foreign country, the Brazil court, the court in Brasilia. It has given conviction, actually additional conviction. A person by name John of God, that is a nickname. His name is Faria or John of God, who is popularly described as a faith healer. He was convicted for 370 years on various counts of 300 counts of sexual assault, cheating and drug peddling and baby selling. These are the 4 counts on him. So the trials are started from 2018 and convictions are being given each by each case. You know, according to our even the CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure, the term of sentences, the period of convictions may run consecutively or concurrently. Normally, in our Indian jurisprudence, according to Section 39 of the CRPC, even though a person is convicted 100 years of sentence, if he serves 14 years of service, it is itself sufficient. So that's why in our area we call life imprisonment means 14 years. Here also, till his death, he will not come out of jail. He cannot live for 300 years, is it not? 370 years. So, but the gravity of the offences you have to understand. So without wasting much of time, let us know the concept, why this thing happened. So let us go to the factual matrix. In late 1970s, John of Faria, alias John of God, he started a clinic in Brazil. He claimed to possess the so-called supernatural powers, and in the public he conducted the surgical procedures without anesthesia. That is number 1. That is nasal probing. Then body incisions, cuts, and eye scrapings. So that is మనకి తెలుగులో శుక్లాల ఆపరేషన్ ఉంటాయి కదా, whatever it is. So cataract operations, they were done without anesthesia and they were accepted. And he used to sell the tablets and other things at a higher fanciful rate. And people flocked around him. And in the name of personal sessions, so he started fulfilling his so-called lustful desires or whatever it is. Slowly it started. And he started another business. It's called baby selling. So when his lustful desires were fulfilled, normally the people get impregnated, and after the delivery of the babies, he used to sell them to peoples of other continents. His sphere of operation extended to 3 continents. At a fanciful rates, some people told the investigator that they purchased the baby boy for $50,000. Not now, from 70s to 2000. It's a continuous period. So this is another story of Babas here. In India also, same Dara Baba. So many Babas are there. I don't want to mention their names. Right? So ultimately, his clinic has become a tourist attraction. Even he boasts, or his website shows that he has treated Bill Clinton and world famous TV show operator Oprah Winfrey. She is very famous personality. She interviewed him. See his potential, see his elaboration, so elevation. So Oprah Winfrey interviewed him also. Now, the situation was like that from 70s to 2018. But on 2018, Putta Pailin, 300 women, including his daughter, who was impregnated by him. They opened up their mouths. They came forward to share their harrowing experiences of sexual abuse in the hands of, or I can't say gentleman, in the hands of John of God, in under the guise of the private sessions, or streaking so-called solace and relief through private sessions. So the stories of those people, they revealed systematic abuse and operated, I told you, trafficking of the children. It is extended to 3 continents. So ultimately, so his baby from sex slaves, right? How he has managed is after impregnating every girl, they have to produce 10 children. After that, they will be slaughtered. They will be killed. Right. So Sabina Britton-Court. She is a Brazilian human activist. She investigated the matter, and her investigation led to John of God's arrest. Right. The Brazilian authorities arrested him in 2018. Incidentally, after 1 or 2 years, the corona came, so he was kept under house arrest. So he used his influence. He said he shows illness because of the old age, other things, but still the trial continued. We know. So even in India also there, according to section 167 clause 3 CRPC, a person can be tried through video conferencing. That was done, and he was being given convictions. And the latest conviction is on 10/7/2023, where he was awarded 90 years of sentence. Right? So please remember, with this, the conviction period comes to 370 years, 9 months, and 15 days. Of course, the compensation is also there. He has to pay 10,000 billions of dollars as compensation. Finish. Of course, I am sure he will not come out of the prison. But anyway, a classic case where even the so-called faith healer or the John of God or Faria will not be spared by the courts. This is the story. International court. Of course, this is a foreign court, judgment of a foreign court. You can cite it when necessary. So, if you read the case of Faria alias John of God, you will be definitely enriched about the cheating, sexual exploitation, baby transportation, human trafficking, all these things there. And in the name of the so-called spiritual things. Like to conclude, I want to tell you friends, even in India also it is there. మీరు చూస్తుంటారు కొంతమంది ఈ మీటింగ్స్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏదో ఆయిల్ ఇచ్చి ఆయిల్ వల్ల మొత్తం తగ్గిపోతుంది, మూర్ఛ రోగాలు కూడా తగ్గిపోతాయి, ఓ దేవుడు అన్న రక్షణ రకరకాలు పెడతా ఉంటారు. అలాగే మనం ఒక చోట మందు ఇస్తే తగ్గిపోతుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఫెయిత్ హీలింగ్. బట్ ఇవి నమ్మవద్దు. రైట్? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.